European countries, Germany was badly affected. That is why in the Treaty of Versailles, the Allied group, they realized they could guess the weakness of Germany, and that is why they abandoned Germany and they disgraced Germany, humiliated Germany, and as impact, Germany was badly affected during the war and post-war also. But they could gather courage to face the situation. Germany could gather the courage to face the situation with the help of some leaders, some intellectuals, some veterans. But loss of 6 million people they had to face, including the civilians and the soldiers. So during war, the youths, the adolescents, they were forced to take part in army. So there was a huge scarcity or lack of manpower post-war. This was the scenario, lack of manpower. Young people, it was less. The category of young quantity, it was less. So that was also one of the factors Germany had to face. Main, the economic crisis. Secondly, depression, economic depression, simultaneously psychological impact on the people of Germany. People, they were passing through a depressive phase. They were facing despair and distress. Counseling, it was required, but who would counsel them? The entire country was facing or passing through the same phase. So during that time, Weimar Republic formed to encourage the people and to rule Germany